Greenworks 1700 PSI 1.2 GPM pressure washer. Landon with AQUALUX Auto Detailing. Thank y'all for being here. Gonna be doing a giveaway, but before we get into the details, stay tuned till the end. Maybe in between there might be some keywords you might need to pick up on. But anyways, we're gonna be doing a giveaway. Gonna talk about this little bad boy. It's $80 at Lowe's right now. Okay, this thing is PWMA certified. That's the pressure washing something association. I can't think of it right. Members Association. All right, and they give unbiased ratings, and it meets all the standards that and the specs that are on the pressure washer. Comes with a 3-year limited warranty. I wanted to highlight that real quick because they have, I think they have recently bumped this up, and it's 3 years against defects in materials, parts, or workmanship. Okay, that is free to the customer, so they're really stepping up their game. So you get an AOK hose. I'm not gonna say it's the best. I have my Flexzilla that I've had. It's almost at 3 years now, so this thing has been through some torture, but it's a great one. All right, and they get you a little foam cannon, you get your little lance and all that stuff. There's another one that comes with the surface cleaner, and a lot of y'all have been asking me, what do I use for the quick connect system? This is my go-to thing. I think there's one on Amazon for like $22 or something like that. This one's like 30 bucks or $29.99 at Lowe's. It has everything you need for the garden hose, pressure washer hose, and then you have the pump outlet, pressure washer gun, and a bonus garden hose sprayer converter. Okay, and you can see how I use those. These are the same ones I've had on this Greenworks since day one. I've had this for over 2.5 years. It's working on 3 years, and I hook it up in the back. Okay, so this little thing, this is brand new. I had to give Carlos my other one, so I went out and purchased this one, but this is going to be the one that's going to be for the giveaway, and it's going to be at the end of the month. So hashtag AQUALUX Auto Detailing to be entered. There may be 2 more coming at you, so pay attention. All right, so you get a 40-degree nozzle, and then you get your turbo nozzle. This thing is 2.5, the orifice is, okay, and that's a 40 degrees. So that's how it makes that pressure and everything that's going on. The one I've had for over 1.5 years. The thing has just kicked tail and taken names the whole time, and I have not had any complaints about it. If it broke today, I'd go back and get another one, but they already have a 3-year standard warranty with it. I think you can put another one from Lowe's that they provide for an additional fee. But this one, it's light. It's like 14 pounds. It's super easy. Has a 35-foot GFCI cord that goes to it, and this is my little bonus addition to it. So we're running an MV925 swivel with our MATC foam cannon. This is number 2. This is my favorite foam cannon in the world. It's like 24 bucks on Amazon. I haven't changed the orifice out. There's 2 ounces of DPC foam in here. We're gonna foam up the side of this Sequoia real quick, and we're gonna rinse it off. But I just kind of wanted to show y'all what's gonna be going on. This is for the giveaway, but if you're needing something or in a pinch or just need something that's lightweight and you don't wanna, like I have my Comet, and that thing's like 65 pounds at 2 gallons. Well, guess what? I don't want to bring that. This one is just ready to go, and you can just make it happen. Even if you didn't have all this other stuff, you can make it happen with this stuff right here. So I'm going to turn the camera around real quick. Let me get over here, and then I'm going to show you the foam this thing produces at 1.2 GPM. So bear with me really quick, and then I'm going to show you all exactly how this sucker works. So here we go on 3, 2, 1, and boom. That's 2 ounces. That's 2 ounces of DPC foam. I think y'all are gonna want to up close to this. Hold on 1 second. Let me just get this real quick. Sorry about the bump. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 2 ounces of DPC foam. Look at that. Beautiful. Alright, so I'm going to set y'all back down. Sorry about the bump. Okay, so y'all are witnessing, a 1.2 GPM 1700 PSI little $80 pressure washer do its thing right now. Yeah, there's some upgrades. I mean, if we're talking total upgrades with this, you're probably at over $120 with the upgrades. But I've had this for going on 2 years, and I've had this, the Flexzilla hose, for over 2.5 years. So You can see I'm not nice with it and I beat it up, but see, here's the, look at that. There's the foam and it's doing a great job. The thing is just a great machine. $80, not breaking the bank. And then if it died on you in, I don't know, a month or two and you're doing this professionally, you probably already made your money back. So I just wanted to highlight that really quick with the foam. Now we're gonna rinse. Let's put hashtag Father's Day. That'll be the second hashtag that I've been asking for, to be qualified to eligible to win this, all right? So, and there'll be one more. We're gonna do the rinse off really quick. Appreciate y'all, hope y'all are having a great Sunday. And I'm gonna start back here and then rinse off. So here we go, 1, 2, and 3. Look at that, beautiful rinse off. Can't ask for much more out of it soap, but I mean, isn't this little machine pretty impressive though? I think it's pretty awesome. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. And we still got soap. Okay, I'm not gonna bore y'all anymore. So anyways, that's the Greenworks 1700 1.2 GPM, but we got a great rinse off. Yeah, I got a little protection on there, so what? Okay, so alright, so what do y'all think? Let me know in the comments below. What's your go-to pressure washer? This has been mine for 1.5 years when I'm mobile. Definitely a win. Love that foam cannon. Love that quick connect set. There's just, it's hard to really beat this up over anything. I mean, you're getting what you pay for, but it does the job and it's held up for a while, okay? So let's put hashtag auto detailing as the last hashtag, but I hope y'all have a great weekend. This is going to be for the Greenworks 1700 PSI 1.2 GPM pressure washer giveaway. I think we're going to do it at the end of the month. Yes, we are. So just make sure you get those 3 hashtags in there. AQUALUX Auto Detailing, hashtag Father's Day, and Auto Detailing. I love y'all. Thank you so much for your support. We're going to be doing more of this. Y'all have a great one. I'll catch you later. Bye.